Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw the ghost crewmate from Among Us. Now to start off with this, we're going to draw a little line that just goes straight up in here. So right about here on your paper, just draw a little line that goes up like this. Next, we want to draw a line that's going to go out, it's going to curve around and come back. So we're going to go out, curve around, and come right back to about there. Now, starting right about here, we're going to draw a line that goes down. And then up here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up, and it's going to come around. Then we're going to go down to about here. Next, draw a line that's going to go down and up. Then we're going to come to a point. We're going to go down and come up like this. Then we want to go down and straight up, and then over and up like this. Next, for the little area on the back, you just want to draw a line that goes out. It comes straight down, and then it's going to come right back into here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a ghost crewmate from Among Us. Now, because this video is so short, I'm actually going to show you guys how to color this as well. Now, when it comes to coloring this, you can do any different color. The trick is you want to have one color and then you want to have something that's a little bit darker. So I have these two reds. I'm going to use this red, which is lighter, for the body, and then I'm going to use this darker red for the shading. So the first thing you want to do is you want to color the entire thing red. Now, once you have it colored, whatever color you want to use, then we want to come in here and add some of the shading. So I have a little bit of a darker red right here for this next marker. You can always use something like a purple to just kind of get a little bit darker. So we want to start by drawing a line. It's going to go down, and then it's going to curve around, right around this little bump area in here. So we're going to go up, and then it's going to go around, and it's going to come right to here. Next, I'm going to color this whole area in with a darker red. Next, what I want to do is I want to color the little backpack area, and I'm going to do this in red as well. Then once again, I'm going to use this marker and just add a little bit of the shading in here. So I'll draw a line here and then color the rest in. Our next step is to color in the little face area. Now to do this, I have three different colored markers. I have a dark gray, a medium gray, and a light gray. So I'm going to start off with my dark gray first, and I'm going to color just a little line down here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a little line down here, and then just color in the rest. Next, I'm going to go with my medium gray, and I'm going to do the same thing, but this next line is going to be a little bit higher up. So we're just going to color this in right to there. And then finally, I'm going to use my light gray, and I'm going to color in the next area using my light gray. And I'm going to go just around the top a little bit. And I'm going to color this over here just to kind of blend it in a little bit. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to come in here with a fat Sharpie, and I want to trace the entire thing with this fat Sharpie just to give it a nice dark black outline. And there you go. There is your drawing and coloring of a ghost crewmate from the game Among Us. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.